just like my heart. Streetlights shimmer where the teardrops start. Your voice still echoes in the thunder's hue. Every rainfall feels like you. Umbrellas trembling in my hand. Wish you were here to understand how every drop that hits the ground is a memory I found. When it rains, I remember you. The laughter, the warmth, the sky so blue. Now it's silver and gray, but it feels like June. When it rains, I remember you. The scent of wet earth, it takes me back to coffee, steam, and a soft soundtrack. You said the storms would never last, but baby, this one's from the past. Lightning paints your silhouette, the kind of picture I can't forget. The rhythm of the rain's refrain whispers softly, calls your name. When it rains, I remember you. The way your smile broke the gloom in two. Now the windows cry, the world's in tune. When it rains, I remember you. Maybe love's a season too, and mine just stayed where I met you. So I let the sky just fall apart till it washes clean this heart. When it rains, I remember you. Every drop feels like something true. Though the sun may rise, the skies turn new. When it rains, I remember you. And when the storm fades quiet and through, I still hear the rain, and I still think of you.